about to try and do a talk through video because I never done this before. So let me catch my breath, drink some apple juice, and start. Okay, welcome back to my channel, you guys. So I've been sitting in front of this camera for 4 minutes and 56 seconds and trying to get myself together. So now that I'm together, today we are going to be, well, I am going to be showing you guys how I get my black eyebrows to match my wig. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how I tint my eyebrows red to get it to match my hair, even though we all know that I didn't dye my eyebrows red. So first I'm just going to show you guys what I use. I use a slanted regular eyebrow brush and my NYX pomade in the color Espresso that I use to do my regular eyebrows. I use this spoolie. Well, it's actually a slanted eyebrow brush as well, but I don't use this ended. I feel like it's too soft. And I think I got this from Beauty Supply store, Ruby Kisses, whatever, by Kiss. Okay, so yeah, the spoolie, you can see that it's like kind of red because I've done this a couple of times. And my concealer brush, a rectangle square brush or whatever. So yeah, those are the brushes I use, the pomade, and then the trick for the red is a red lip liner that I got this from the Beauty Supply store. So, oh, someone's here to pick up a wig. Be back. But yeah, I haven't used this one yet because I've been using my MAC. What color is this? Ruby Woo lip pencil, but I don't want to use my good lip liner on my eyebrows. I only used it because that was the only one I had in Vegas. But yeah, so I got this one. It's by Kiss, also Beauty Supply store. Be back. I am about to try and do a talk through video because I never done this before. So let me catch my breath, drink some apple juice, and start. I just ran up some stairs, ran down some stairs, ran back up the stairs, and then ran back down, so I ran back up. Was that considered like 4 flights of stairs? Whatever. Alright. Like I was saying, I used to use my Ruby Woo from MAC to do my eyebrows because that was the only one I had when I was in Vegas for my birthday. If you haven't watched my Vegas vlog, go ahead and do that. The link will be in the description box below. Go on my page, subscribe, and all my videos will be there. Watch all of them, and thank you in advance. Yeah, I use this, but yesterday I just bought a cheap one at the Beauty Supply store, and yeah, so this is it. Oh, I just finished dyeing a wig jet black, so I got some stains. This is the worst one. My nail poked through the glove, and before I knew it, my whole finger was stained and it was too far gone. So yeah, let's get into it. Let me just open this. So let's get into my eyebrows real quick. Boom. I got my lashes done, but they are coming out. I need to go get them filled in this weekend. So yeah, so this is my eyebrows in its natural states. So I'm just gonna take my spoolie, brush them out so that I won't get them going the way I want. Is it me or is it like a little tint of red? I just brushed it. Let me see. Alright, so then you're gonna take your slanted eyebrow brush and your pomade, whichever one you use, Anastasia, NYX, whichever one, and you outline your eyebrows. So I'm gonna dip it in there. Just outline it and shape it to what you want it to look like. And to give you my background outside, I live in New York City, so it will forever be noisy outside. So there you go, you have the outline. And I always outline the bottom line from the beginning of my eyebrow, and then I start the top line from like right here where it starts to get dark, because I like my eyebrows to be like an ombre, like lighter at the front and get darker to the tip. Then you take your pencil, your lip liner, and you start to shade in your eyebrows. So take that and then shade that in. Ooh, this red is a lot more red than that one. Just gonna shade that in a little bit. Take your spoolie, brush that in so it can blend. Blend in with your hair and with the pomade. And you take your brush, put a little pomade on there, and then go in with that. That heater is making mad noise. Go back in with your spoolie, blend that out, and I want a little bit more brown to hit. Alright. Ooh, thank you, shut up. So that actually is a perfect color for my hair right now. Nope, I need a little more red. Alright, so go back in with some red. I don't need too much red, but I want the red to be there. And a little red right there, so that everyone can be red. Take your spoolie, blend that out. That is red. I think this red is a lot brighter than this one. Oh, that's just the same thing. This is the MAC Ruby Woo, and this is the RK by Kiss lip liner in Vamp Red. That matches my hair enough. I didn't want to go back in. On camera, it looks so red. It's like the brown doesn't show, but then I'm gonna go in with my my concealer brush that I like to use to outline my eyebrows, and my concealer. As a matter of fact, this is my NARS concealer, but I'm not gonna use that for today since it's just a tutorial. I'm gonna go back in with my faithful Handy Dandy LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. Take that, and then we're gonna outline our eyebrows. now I get my eyebrows red. Ain't much to it but to do it. So yeah, then you're just gonna go in and you're going to do the same with the other eyebrow. So let's see the difference between Fawn and I said Fawn. Everyone uses Fawn, that's why I call it Fawn. Between LA Pro Girl and LA Girl Pro Concealer and NARS Concealer. And this is NARS and Caramel. Your little teardrop and then spray it. Look so bare, but thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this quick video. I'm going to go ahead and finish my face now because I'm going out. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and watch some other videos. I will link some below. And yeah, also I just wanted to thank everyone for watching my how to make a closure wig and cut the bangs video. Got it to 5K. Let me see exactly how much it is. It is at 5.7. Let's get the exact number because I'm hype. It is at 5,788 views, 231 likes, and 22 dislikes, which the likes outweigh the dislikes, but there was also some comments and some feedback. And I just wanted to quickly just say that I really appreciate everyone that watched the video, and I know that everyone that watched the video is not here watching this video, but thank you guys for those of you who did and subscribed. And yeah, and also thank you to everyone that subscribed to me, because your girl is at 169 subscribers, and that makes me so happy. Like, last month I was at 55, so, and then before that I was like staying, like I was stagnant. I was at like 40 for like the longest. I was just like, damn. And I started making videos, and I said, good. So what they say about staying consistent on YouTube is true. I'm chatting, but yeah. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for liking. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for sticking all the way through to the end of this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I know you will, some of you. And yeah, stay tuned for some more videos. And thank you. See you later.